Okay, a little fun here at the mill. This sled has been sitting for a long time. I think like 2 years. David doesn't think, he thinks it will start, but he thinks it's gonna be really hard and gonna need a lot of work. But I think I can just start it. We'll see. I can't even see any of the controls. Like it's just all...
Alright, this is an old Yamaha Phaser 2. This is the kill system, so as long as that's in, it should start. It's got a key. The throttle is definitely frozen. The skis are quite frozen too. Everything's quite frozen. So even if it does start, it can't go anywhere. 2-stage choke.
We want really choked.
Really choked.
Should we try sled number 2?
Oh my gosh. I think I just owed Mike 20 bucks. Pre-turning the camera on, I offered him $20 per sled. This might be a $40 day for Mike right here. This is a Tundra, it's a Ski-Doo Tundra, 2006 maybe. Just a few pulls in now. Really shouldn't leave my sleds outside. Oh! What'd you do?
Yeah! Sled number 2!
What? Stuck on the ground for a while.
Oh.
Smells a bit.
Smells like old fuel.
Old fuel, yeah. We might want to just let it run. I put some stabilizer in there and some stuff, but... Wow. I stand corrected.
It runs. Cash money.
Special to start a sled, but it's not very good for your sled to just leave it sitting around.